UKG Ready tutorial, how to use UKG Ready for HR and payroll. So the first thing is to watch a quick walkthrough. Once you go ahead and get started, you're gonna have to sign up, get your company's name, and log in all in all. You can check out the video on how to use most of UKG Ready's features, which will teach you more all about UKG. You can see its core functionalities with employee records, time and attendance, schedulings, payroll processings, and much more. Once you've done that, you have need to finish an initial setup process. Log in via your organization's portal, navigate key sections like the HR time and attendance, as mentioned before, access training under the help, learning center, ready for learning, and self-paced and instructor-led courses. You'll be able to learn way more in UKG, so all you have to do is search up UKG in your preferred browser, and you should be able to be led there. There's also the reporting and compliance and the employee self-service. So staff can view payslips, request time off, and update personal details via web or mobile portal. But for the process step, you can add employees, track time, schedule staff, run payroll, and report an audit, all for free. So just go ahead and get started over here in their official website, or you can always go ahead and try downloading their app. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.